year-long celebration held every October in Zamboanga City, Philippines. It honors Nuestra Señora la Virgen del Pilar, or Lady of the Pilar, the city's patroness, as one of the oldest and largest festivals in Mindanao. The event brilliantly blends Roman Catholic